This stock have a new trade alert. What is this stock cook? Today I will give you the insight from the chart and also give you this symbol. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you to learn more, make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So this stock, in the end of this video, I will tell you what is the stock cook. Okay, so if you want to learn more, click like, subscribe, share with your friend now. This is only for education purpose. We don't recommend you any trade. So now we look at this stock. Basically, the first thing we look at is the candle go above both lines. This is a very bullish signal, okay? Basically, first thing we look at is the trend line. The blue is the normal trend line. The red is the fast track line, okay? So basically, the fast track line is going upward. The fast track line is going upward, and then they go above the blue line. So they form a first buy signal. Another thing I want you to check is the gap. If you don't have my indicator, you can also look at this gap. Okay, gap is either resistance or support. So far we are in the resistance zone. Once they go above, it's a confirm, we will go up. Now we will take time to struggle here. Okay, although today they have a big candle up by 4.68%, but still this is a resistance zone. It will take time to go up. But again, this is the bottom. This is the bottom according to this chart. Okay, so far it's a bottom. If we buy here, let's say if you follow this chart, if you buy here, I'm not saying you buy now, okay? I'm just saying, let's say if you buy around here, if the blue go up, your risk is very low. Once they drop below the red, if you follow the red to buy, you use the red as a reference to cut loss. If you use the blue to buy, you use the blue to cut loss. It is very simple. If you want to maximize your profit, you can use the red line. Okay, but remember the blue line, we need to go upward to confirm this is an upward trend. So far, not yet. But what I want to give you more things. If you don't have my indicator, by the way, you can subscribe anytime or unsubscribe anytime. If you don't have my indicator, look at this candle. Basically, on 8th of May, they will have one big candle, minus 5.72%. Basically, it's a jump down, it's a gap down. What happened is, very interesting. They go down, but it flash a green candle. Basically, it means the closing is higher than the opening. So they have a big, scary morning. They go all the way down. And somehow, in the end of that trading day, basically, they go all the way up. Okay, so it's a green candle. So who is buying? Look at this volume bar. They have a big volume bar here, right? In the background. So who is buying? I will tell you right now. So we say we need to know the trend. We also need to know the fund movement. So this green bar, YM chip entry, to tell you the institution buying. So who is buying? You can see very clearly when we have a green candle, this is an institution buying. Okay, institution buying. But again, I say many times, YM chip entry just tell you the relative low point. Is not necessary you buy right away when they enter the market because they have unlimited resources, right? We don't. So this is a very good reference to tell you they are actually doing some buying here. They start to buy here to here, they stop, and then they buy again. Okay. So what happened is, how do we do trade? First, you need to know where the fund movement, okay? The fund move in. Will you sell during this period? No, we sell in another period. We sell when the blue change the direction. But now we don't sell because they have green chips coming in and YM chip pass to tell you the total holding by institution. What is going on is we have been going down. You see this red bar have been smoothly going down basically since around this day. Around this day, you can see this go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, until finally we have one candle go above this purple line, which is the moving average of the red bar. The red bar is the institution holding, remember. The green bar is individual. We still need to take time to shake out the individual. So it would take time for us to go all the value up. But so far, I can tell you this one, most likely, this is a bottom. Okay, we can use the red line to stop loss. Okay, so we have the funding coming in. We have the funding holding getting stronger. This is the, and how about the buy signal? One candle go above both line is also the buy signal. Another thing I want you to check is Y and big buy. So Y and big buy is checking more short-term trading. Why? This is for big volume trade. Okay, basically it tell us here we have signal. Basically, this one go above when they go just one line, they go above zero, but it's not yet confirmed, right? So we need to go both line. Basically, on 31st of May, we go above both line. We have this above zero. So this is a strong signal to tell us you may add your position here. By the way, this is only for education. I just want to tell you what the chart telling us. But the total holding is not yet confirmed. If you're a very aggressive investor, you may buy here. You may add some position here. And once they go above the red bar, once the red bar go above this purple line, you may add another position here. Okay, but again, if you don't have my indicator, you need to know something. For example, the volume and also you can also look at this line. Basically, you may use this one as a trend line. If you don't have my indicator, if you don't want to subscribe yet, it's fine. You need to use this. You can see this is a downward trend, and once they go above, basically is confirmed it is over the downward trend. So they will have some money up, but you don't know is it all the way going up or just a rebound, right? So you need to wait the blue line to change the direction. If the blue line keep going downward, this is just a rebound. If the blue line changing the direction to upward, this would be a good bottom to buy in, and we start another uptrend. So I want to show you what happened before. When the blue line go down, 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 same thing happened, right? Big jump, they go above this line, and then what happened is they change the direction of the blue line. Once they change, even you buy here, it's all the way up since then. Okay, you just sell when they change the direction again. Okay, so is it very easy with this indicator? So you can subscribe it anytime, you can unsubscribe anytime also. And there's no you can subscribe just for 1 month to check does it suitable for you. Remember, when you buy stock, you need a system to simple and to tell you the trend, to tell you the fund movement and buy sell point. And this is very easy. So the blue line, the red line to tell you the trend. And I personally, I recommend you to use these two, YM chip entry and YM chippers, to tell you any funding coming in, is it getting strong? So you can see this is a double confirmation to tell you, hey, the funding coming in. Hey, the funding coming in. It's a double confirmation, okay? So once they go above both lines, this is a buy signal, and we need this confirmation. Without this confirmation, let's say when they go above, but the fund is not catching up, the fund is still below this purple line, this means this going up would be very frustrating. It's not all the way going up, okay? So this is for daily chart. And for the weekly chart, for the weekly chart, you can see something funny here. So for the weekly chart here, weekly chart, you can see the red line is the fast line, remember? For weekly chart, we just focus on the red line. And you can see we have all the way down, basically tell you right away, once they drop below, you sell here. You sell here, right? And then bum, 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 once they go above, you may buy here. This is what the chart telling us. It's not me telling you, it's the chart telling you. So when you look at the weekly chart, basically, you ignore the long, you just go to the fast. Okay, so it's very good. You buy, they go all the way up. Once they drop below this red line, you sell to reduce the risk. Once they go above again, you buy back and you sell here. You're still making very good profit. Okay, so this is a weekly chart. We are above the red line. Okay, and we have the YM big buy with the green candle. Okay, so this is weekly chart. So I want to show you something. So weekly chart to tell us is very positive. We will have a value up. We will have few weeks to go up. And daily charts to tell you also we will go up. What is interesting for this stock? Something interesting. This one is not a forever holding stock. Okay, because the monthly chart we are still going under this red line. Okay, we are still going under this red line, so it's not yet confirmed we have a like this is a monthly chart years of the bull market. It's not yet confirmed, but if you want to catch some value, let's say few week or 1 or 2 months here to go up, and you is quite a good enter point. Okay, it's quite a good entry point here. So this one, this trade alert is mainly for middle terms, let's say for few week or for a few months. Okay, so what is that stock number? The stock code I'm going to show you. This is Uber. This is Uber. Okay, so another thing I want to show you is let's go back to Meta. Meta, basically, when I show you this trade alert, last time I will put the link below in the end of the video. You can check the reference again. Why I want to buy in. So when we bought in, basically it's around 470 something, just 2 weeks ago, or just 2 weeks ago, it just started the whole thing. You can see the funding is still strong, the RSI getting strong, the YMB bar getting strong. So everything look good. Look at the slope is getting from downward to flat right now, and the red is strongly going upward. Okay, so we still holding it. So this is not trailer. This is not a trailer. I just want to show you how this chart telling you, and just want to give you some information for you. One thing is interesting is if you don't have my indicator, let's say you have nothing, you don't want to pay anything, you can also use some simple strategy for Meta. So this strategy, it works for any kind of stock, which is gap, which is easy. When there's a gap up, gap down, we make a circle, we make a box here, you can see clearly. When we are under this box, this is a resistance. Inside, we are battling. When we are outside, when we are up above this box become a support. So you can see Meta basically is beautifully on Wednesday, on 5th of June, basically beautifully go all the way 3%, even a get up to have a beautiful go stand above this box. Okay, so it's done this box. Okay, so now we will expect another upward trend. If you look at the trend line also, you can see here, and the market structure is just beautifully, the candle we spread this trend line so much. How many candles we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We use 7 candles to touch this trend line, and they come back as a support. They go up again. Remember, we come back, we go above, we come back to touch, to support, we say kiss and bye, and then they fly again. Okay, just like going to the airport. So this is the matter. So if you don't have my indicator, at least you need to know how to use your trend line. Okay, so this is the update for the stock, for 2 stock, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to subscribe to this indicator, you can subscribe in my description link, and I see you in the next video. See you, bye.